Hello, good morning, everybody. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir. You are audible, sir.
What is the last problem we are doing? Okay. Which is having largest initial speed? That one, no?
Yes, sir.
See, for a projectile, we are discussing. He has given the following graphs. He has given for a projectile that the graphs are like this. One thing is he gave this Vy variation with time. Okay. And also Vy variation with x. With horizontal displacement. This is the graphs were given like this. Okay. So this is the coordinates of this are 1 by 2 comma 0. And that of these are 2 comma 0. These are the graphs he has given. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you need find ux and uy. Okay, taking G equals 10 meter per second square. Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Now, if you observe this graph clearly, first graph we'll see. Okay. From the first graph, at t equals 1 by 2, what is Vy man? 0, no? Okay. That means, what does it imply?
Velocity along y component is 0.
Where it is? Particle is at highest
Pulsar.
point.
Yes, sir.
Remember? It goes like this.
How can I say
Yeah.
at highest, sir? It is at the
Huh?
highest range, right?
Vy highest point is this one, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is nothing. Therefore, t equals 1 by 2 is the time of ascent. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
Half of total time of flight, no? Agreed? That means 1 by 2 is u cos theta by 10. So what is u cos theta? Followed.
Followed, sir.
Then again you can see at x equals to 2, Vy 0. Therefore, x is 2 is nothing but half of range, you know,
Yes, sir.
because this is the range. Parabola is a symmetrical curve, so this should be two parts. Do you agree with this? So this is 4 equals, see, I'll write this range in this form. U cos theta, U sin theta by G. Do you agree? This 2 will go away. This is 20, no? U cos theta is 5, U sin theta. This implies what is U sin theta? 4. Thus you got both horizontal initial velocity and vertical initial velocity. Any doubt is there?
No, sir. Please do it.
Followed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute.
Sir,
Tell me.
in the second case,
Hmm.
the particle is at x is equal to 2 now, sir,
Yes.
and velocity is 0, then how are we saying that it is range?
Velocity, vertical component of velocity is 0 means it should be at the highest point, no?
Yes, sir.
That means it's half of the range only, no?
Yes,
This,
sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
this
sir.
whole thing is R. This is maximum height.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Parabola is equally divided to the left and right by a vertical line passing through the maximum height.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Finished? See, most of the physics is learned by observation only. See here, this is not this position coordinates x and y, not time. Okay. So now you can see that this is the maximum height. Okay. Now you can see that means the time that elapsed, this is 0.0, no? So here y is 0, y is 0. Okay. So time for what? Delta y is 0. Do you agree with this? Then what is t you have? Do you agree with this? Boys, follow or not?
Yes, sir. Following, sir.
And what is t square, man? 4u square sine square theta by g square. Do you agree with this? Clear? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
4 by g. Can I write like this? This I'll multiply by 2. What is this whole thing, man?
Height.
Therefore, what is t? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So I can say that when delta y is 0, okay, and t is the time to reach those points. Okay, to travel from one point to the other where you have delta phi is 0. Understood this? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. If there are 2 points at same vertical height, then delta y is 0. And t h is the vertical distance from the line joining Do you agree with what we have done now? Is it clear?
Yes,
This is
sir.
a conclusion I am doing. Read this carefully. If there are 2 points at same vertical height, then for those points, see, they're the same level now. What is delta y? 0. And t is the time taken to travel from one point to the another. Do you agree with this? Clear? And h is what? What is h? Is the vertical distance. From where? From the line, horizontal line joining the 2 points. Okay? To the point of maximum height. Then what is, they are related like t equals root over 8h by g. Any doubt is that till here?
That T is for total motion or up till total height.
See, here, what I wrote, t is the time taken to travel from one point to the other. One point is this, other.
Yes,
There are
sir.
2 points, man, for which they have delta y is 0.
Yes.
Time taken to travel from one point to the other is t.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now draw a
Okay.
line through this. The vertical distance from that line to the maximum height is capital H. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Completed?
One minute, sir.
You want anything else? I have posted the assignments, everything I'm doing. Anything else you need, you tell. It's your career, no?
Sir,
Tell.
in HCR1 there is not much problems are related to this, sir.
Why man, one chapter is there,
Yes,
kinematics.
sir. Yes, sir. The chapter is there, sir, but no, many problems are not available, sir. Only a few problems are available.
No. H.C. Verma book is helpful for you. Do the examples, that short answer questions and those problems. That will help you have a solid ground base for you to understand better. That book
Okay,
is
sir.
not written for practice sake. Follow my classes. Second, go through H.C. Verma examples. Short answer questions are there, no? Those short
Yes, sir.
answer questions are nothing but reasoning questions. Objective 1, objective 2 answer. Afterwards, go to the subject. There are few problems, but that give lot of knowledge for you. After that, this LN, resonance, all these are for practice, speed practice. Understood
Yes,
this?
sir. Yes, sir.
The whole story is first attend class, okay? Then go to HCV. What are those? Examples, short answer questions are there, no?
Yes, sir.
These are reasoning questions, short answer means. Objective 1 and 2. Then go to the exercise. After that, go to all the resonance you start. Because topic wise they'll give. LN like that you can go. And sky is the limit. The more you do, the better your rank. Instead of asking what rank an institution got, you should ask how many students have really completed the work. The people who got those ranks this year, they're whatever work we used to do, they used to do. Midnight also. We used to talk during this lockdown at night, 11:30, 12 also for doubts. If that spirit is there, you will get a seat. You yourself will become an IITian, and others need not give that. Knowledge is not one man's horse, no. Only thing is, will guide you, do this, do that, because even when you are praying, congregation is essential and there will be one person who leads you. Remember when you do namaz,
Yes, sir.
there is a congregation and one person will lead you. That like that only in education also, one person will lead you. I am leading you. Do this, do that. How you follow him, you should follow me. Automatically you will reach the goal. God will bless you. When I do tell something, you do something, then what is the use of the congregation assembly we are having? Okay, relate the aspects of religious things to studies. Automatically you will be successful. And think and do, man. Don't blindly copy anything. Shall I remove this?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now let us apply the same thing. This is X, this is Y. Here this is the maximum height. You complete them, I'll give many more. Because I worked all these areas, you know this. See, this is H. Okay. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Understood, sir.
Shall I do?
Yes, sir.
See, the theory I gave, remember, apply that directly. For A and B, what is Y man? For A,
X.
Y is what? H. For this point, so delta Y, how much? 0, no? Agreed?
Yes, sir.
And T equals T2 when You know, what is the time interval?
T2 minus T1.
Okay. And what is the I wrote here now. Can you tell?
Capital H
This
minus small h.
Therefore, what you have, this time interval is nothing but this is what you wrote now previously. Or no problem. Finished?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Completed?
1 minute.
Not done fast. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Done.
And you don't do anything, just do the work allotted. You don't do any planning, I'll do this and that, you'll never do. Because you don't have that experience of planning. What is ahead, you don't know. When we are doing something, we have a molding idea. We should do this. If I teach this point here, this will help him in that chapter. All that I know. Because they are interlinked. You know. See here, there are two lines. AD, the other one is BC. This difference in this line is given as H2 minus H1. Okay. Now he gave that TAD. Time interval when particle travels from where to where. Similarly, okay, now find shall I do? Straight away you can write this. Suppose if you take this as some H double dash, then this is some H dash. Write the equation time interval for AD. 8. Okay. H is the maximum height I am choosing. This is let, not given. Okay, this is not given in question. So what you should do here, 8H minus H dash by G. Do you agree with this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this? Just now we have done this. No?
Agree, sir. Agreed, sir.
Now you can see squaring of this 8H minus H dash by D. This is TBC 8H minus H double dash by G. Do you agree with this? Now we need AD minus BC. Do you agree with this? So 8 by G, what you'll get? Minus H dash plus H double dash. Now you subtract these two. Do you agree with this or not? Hello?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
This is nothing but this distance is actually what it will be. Agreed?
Agreed, sir. Then this will be H1 minus H2.
That's all. Clear? Because we need H double dash minus H dash now.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Sir, hello.
Tell me.
In T of 8, root over 8 into H minus H dash means, sir, we will get the another height now, sir. This from ground to A we will get to.
No. AD. This one only you're talking?
Yes, sir.
What is it you have written?
Sir,
Vertical height.
sir, in the previous.
See, and that one I am saying. H is the vertical distance on the line joining the 2 points. Okay. Vertical distance from the line joining the 2 points where you have delta y is 0. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
I am considering 2 points. What are those? One is where you have delta y is 0. Look at this. Delta y between the point should be 0. This is T1. The time interval is T2 minus T1. Vertical distance on the line joining AB to the maximum height. Then you have this. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
You return this?
1 minute.
Finished? Hello. Completed?
Completed,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Right. Now let us go back. Already we finished the equation of trajectory. Remember? Hello?
Yes, sir.
You have already done this. So remember what is that you got? Y equals minus
Sir, can I light check it? हेलो
क्या
सर के पास लाइट चली गई
हाँ तो क्या करना
अगर नाम ना बात कर लो क्या करते हो?
मीटिंग एंड कर दो.
सेवन टू 8 PM कंटिन्यू करते करते सर.
सबको आया मत.
एंड कर दो. रहने दो, रखो.
एंड कर दो अबरार भाई.
हाँ हाँ. रखो रखो.